Hi guys, I am Shivam Dubey from GGITS Jabalpur. Today in this video I'll be showing my project on tall building design in ETAP software as for the online course conducted by the Skyfi Labs. In this video define the complete modeling, analysis and design of the tall building. This is 23 stories building and lateral section of the building different, and also live load is different on the different section of the floor. As shown on the project, live load is different for different sets of story. Story 1 to 8, live load is 5 kilonewton per meter square, 9 to 14, 4.5 kilonewton per meter square, 15 to 19, 4 kilonewton per meter square, 20 to 23, 3.5 kilonewton per meter square. There are three section of the beam and column which have M40 grade concrete, HYSD 500 mild 250 rebar, slab 150 and cladding load 0.2 kilonewton per meter. Let's go on the software. To the file menu, select new model option for initial setting of display unit, steel section database, steel design code and concrete design code. Okay. In the grid dimension plan option, under the uniform grid spacing, number of lines 4 in both direction x and y, and change the number and change the spacing 6 meter in each both direction x and y. Go to the story dimension, select the number of stories 23 and go to the custom story data. For customizing the space between each pair of grid lines z direction, and story 8, select the master story, select one by one all stories, and 14 is master story, and 19 master story. Select all these 19 one by one and then click OK and choose grade only option, then click OK. Software will be generate the grid that we have set in the few seconds. Now make the building model. We will drawing its elements on the grid one by one. Let's start with the material property. Add new material, region India, material type concrete, standard in the Indian and M40 grade, and then click OK, and again add material rebar HYSD 415 and then click OK, and again add new property rebar mild grade 250 and click OK and OK. Then define and section property frame section. Add new property for rectangle column and give the name beam 500 cross 300, material M40 and give the dimension depth 500 and width 300, and reinforcement click modify show rebar and click design type M3 and HYSD as a longitudinal bar and mild 250 and spacing between 25 mm as per IS code, and then click OK and again OK. And we have 3 section of beam, so we select add copy property and give the name second beam 550 cross 350 and select material M40 automatically give the dimension 550, depth and 350 width, and click OK. And again add copy of property and beam 600 cross 400, change the dimension 600 and 400, and then click OK. All three sections of beam is generated. Again add new property for column. Give the name column 500 cross 500, select material type and give the dimension 500 500, and modify for reinforcement longitudinal bar HYSD 415 and mild 250, and then click OK and click OK. Again add copy of property column 550 cross 550, give the dimension 550 and width 550, and then 550, add copy of property column 600 cross 600, change the dimension 600, depth and 600 width, and then click OK and OK. Add new property for auto select list for beam and column. Give the name for beam auto select, and auto select design type concrete. Select three section of beam and click OK. Again auto select list for column. Give the name column auto select, select material, add three section of the column, and then click OK and OK. Go to the draw menu and draw beam column. Select quick draw column. Select the property of column and draw the column, and again draw the beam. Go to the shortcut quick draw beam and change the property and draw beam. For slab, select the property and draw slab. Go to the plan, select story 9 and click OK. Go to the quick draw column shortcut option and draw column according to the plan. Select quick draw beam and draw the beam. And draw slab. And go to the plan. And select the story 14 on dialog box. Click OK. On story 15, select quick draw column shortcut and draw the column. Select beam go to the plan option, select 20 story, click OK. Again quick draw column option, draw the column and select beam option, quick draw beam and slab. And draw auto cladding and select use floor. Our plan are ready, and apply dead load, live load and wind load. Go to the define menu and go to the load case, dead load, live load and wind load. Okay, and again go to the define menu and load pattern, dead load, live load and wind load. Wind load according to the IS 875, and select the wind load and modify lateral load, wind coefficient, wind speed, according to the IS code appendix A clause 5.2 and terrain category according to the IS code 5.3.2.1 clause and structure class 5.2.2.2 clause and risk coefficient table 1 for IS code and topography K3 factor 5.3.3.1 clause, and click OK and OK. Go to the analyze menu and run analysis. Analysis process is done. Go to the design menu and concrete frame design, view revise preference and make sure IS 456 2000 and click OK, and again design menu, concrete frame design and start design, check. And design concrete frame section, verify all member passed, all concrete frames passed the design check, and then click OK.